Hello and welcome to another one of my boring car videos. This time I am replacing the front brake pads on a Honda Jazz 2009. Very simple, very easy. Anyone who is a home mechanic can do this. 1. Take the wheel off. We've just gone for an MOT. It wasn't advised on the MOT, but I spoke to the customer last time. I serviced it. So we're getting a bit low. So what we do? Wheel off. Spin the wheel. 12mm spanner. We'll do it with a spanner for all you poor people who don't have any proper tools.
Oh, I need a spanner. Don't have an airline, don't have an air ratchet.
There you go. Spanner. Spanner. Undo that. Preparation of the job. I've opened the bonnet. I'll show you. Preparation of the job. I've opened the bonnet. I've took the cap off of the brake fluid for the purposes of spillages and stuff. Right, so wheel off. That's done. 12mm socket done. Lift that up. Wow. Get yourself some swan necks. Plumbers ones. Push the piston back. The level will rise. Check the level's not over spilling. Push the piston back. Hello, Spider. Right, piston is all the way back. Level is good. Piston is back. There is a retaining clip here. It's not necessarily a retaining clip, it's more of a spring clip to keep them pressed out. Keep that. Just on the side. Remove the pads. Check the condition. These are the pads. They're getting quite low, you see. So, replace them now. There's been a debate whether to grease up the sliders, or to grease up the where the pads sit in there, to do or not to do. Now, I'm a not to do. I'm a not to do because they just get stuck up with dirt and crap like that, and they have the plates on there for a purpose anyway to do it. So get a screwdriver or a file or anything you've got just to clean off any of the bits that you've got on here. Hello, Mr. Spider. Right. Pads. These are Padgett pads. The reason why I use Padgett pads is OE quality supplier. These are the same quality pads as you'd get as if you were to get it from new, not some cheap aftermarket shit off of eBay. These are proper pads. Right, what we got? How it usually works is you get two with the markers, like the pad indicates for where it runs out, and two of the other ones. What you want to do is get the one you took off, get the one that's the right, matches it up. So there's the old pad, there's the new pad, obviously it's about time. And obviously this here is an indication of which side it goes on. And they also have little clips. This is like a shim. You take the shim off, put the shim on this one here. Yeah, just pushes on like that. And it looks like this one also has a shim, so we'll pop that off. These are Honda brake pads. These are original equipment. The car's done 35,000 miles. Well, a little old lady drives it. Original brake pads. So, right, that's that. That's that. Lift it up. Pop it in. So that's what I'm saying as well. These are original Honda brake pads. There isn't any grease on any of the tips or anything like that, you know. If that's how they wanted it to be, they would have put it on. So we do that. Doesn't need it. Right. Oh. Come on, slowing me down. put it in this one first. There's like a little. There we go. Clearly wants to go on that side first. And that one at the bottom. There we go. Discs itself, they're not lit, so we haven't got to clean up any of the lipping. So that's it. 1 in, 2 in. What are we missing? That's right. Stupid little clip thing. We'll put that in there. Slide that back down. Push that across. $12mm back in. Find your spanner. Where have you put the spanner? Why would I have moved it? Here it is. Spanner. There we go. Oh. Right. Done. Well, 50% done. Well on. Put lock and mill nut in line with the valve. That's it. It's as easy as that. It's done. And then you can just do the same on the other side. So, if you have a Honda Jazz yourself at home and you're thinking, I can try and do the brake pads. Yes, you can. What do you need? As I've showed you, you need some Stilsons, swan necks, whatever you want to call them, a 12mm spanner, and a 19mm socket. You don't even need the gun, you know, you just do it. Yes, I haven't done it uptight, and I'll talk it at the end. So, that is how you replace a Honda Jazz 2009 front brake pads. If you like the video, like, subscribe, I'll try and do some more. I am a mechanic, so I will be doing lots of random crap on lots of random cars, and if it's something that any of you are interested in, then let me know. Cheers! So we got the bonus tip. So what I did, as I said to you, is I removed the lid from there. Okay. The reason why I do is because sometimes if it's already been full and you're doing all of them, it'll split over the top. Once you've replaced the brake pads, which is what I've just done in both front wheels, before you jack it off and let it track down or anything like that, you need to. That's right. Pump the brake pedal. Yeah, push the piston out again. What that does is that what that does, as I say, it lowers the fluid level back down again, but it also means that when you come out and you don't start the car up and you drive off, you have no pedal. Now you should have the brakes. So there we go. That is the bonus tip. Not necessarily a bonus tip, more of I forgot to mention you should always do this because if you don't, you'll probably die. So